Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Just want to show you one of our DAS XJs we just completed. This is a stage 2. This Jeep is not for sale. We've been building this for a client. We did provide the Jeep. A lot of people do ask that. We also provide our services to privately owned Jeeps as well. So if you own a Jeep and you want us to restore it, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to do so. So we just finished about a 150-mile test drive throughout the week on it. Satisfied with the way everything went. So now it will get its final detail in full wet sand, compound, and buff. Starting with the exterior, completely new paint job, top to bottom. Everything that you see sort of in the more matte finish is a full Kevlar package. We have our very own DAS Moab wheels finished in matte black that the customer requested. New tail lights, new lenses all the way around. Our nice clean custom exhaust that we do. The tip is nice and tight, as you see. Complete paint. Everything was disassembled off of the Jeep. Body panels, glass, trim, handles, all reassembled. Jeep is dirty from us driving it, so just excuse that. As you see up front, beefed up radiator as well. Even have a new front windshield, new seal. The mirrors were refinished as well, so pretty much everything on the exterior is all brand new. Suspension wise, 3-inch lift. All the suspension components front and rear have been upgraded. They're all new. Same thing with the steering. Sort of give you a shot down low. I mean, every steering component is new. This Jeep also has our brand new engine package. So completely new engine top to bottom. All new cooling system, upgraded radiator, water pump, all that good stuff. New AC system top to bottom, AC compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver dryer, heater core, blower motor. This also has a Banks stainless steel header system, high flow exhaust, high flow catalytic converter. If you take a look behind the wheels, you'll see all brand new brakes as well. All new hardware. Every nut and bolt underneath this Jeep is brand new, grade 10. Even look at the oil pan, it's attached with new hardware as well. When we do the undercarriage here in our lifts and steering, we're not just installing the parts. The axles get completely dropped from the Jeep. Everything gets dropped from the Jeep. We're dealing essentially with a blank slate. Everything gets either refinished or is new, and it gets reinstalled. It's the right way to do it. So we're just not installing these parts. We're just sort of redoing the whole Jeep from scratch. That way we have full access to everything. Even when we service a transfer case, we clean it up, refinish it with a fresh coat of paint. Same thing with the transmission and everything else. And you know, we feel that if the exterior is going to be new, the interior is going to be new, the undercarriage and suspension needs to look new, just like a brand new Jeep. And with our restores, that's what we're trying to accomplish. So that's why we do that. We also did the Kevlar package up top on the roof. Like I said, guys, this Jeep is still dirty from us driving and everything else. Full interior. Pretty sure we did the dyno mat on this. Obviously, we have all new carpet throughout, new DAS leather seats. And of course, we rebuild all of our bolsters. If you take a look at that bolster, it's nice and thick. It's elevated about 2.5 to 3 inches from the seat itself. These seats from the factory obviously are pretty close to this, but years and years of sliding in and out, that bolster gets worn out. So we redo those, makes it nice and comfortable to get inside there. Full audio system, headliner, and as you notice, we use a nice woven material. New custom visors that we do as well. Obviously, carpet continues back here, leather seats, pockets in the back. If you look at every single nut, you'll see that there is markings on those. What we do is our technicians, the one that is building it, will mark it off to verify that it's been torqued, and then it gets rechecked with a second technician. Obviously on this one, as you see, all new brake lines, fittings. Carpet's a little bit dirty from us driving. So just a super clean, simple build overall, but you know, thorough nonetheless. Rear brakes as well. There's going to be a lot of other components that we did, but we just wanted to show you guys this real quick before it heads out. LED lighting as well. Engine bay, I'll go ahead and pop the engine for you guys as well. So, as mentioned earlier, new compressor. Obviously, the entire AC system is new. Engine's fully rebuilt and it's all new as well. Banks system in there, new intake system. Once again, any hardware we take out gets replaced with new grade 10 hardware. Back here, we have upgraded radiator with dual fans up front. You'll see the radiator back there, plus a new AC condenser. All right, guys, if y'all have any questions, feel free to contact us at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.